Hello. Today we are going to adjust and set up a disc brake system on our bicycle. It's a bowden cable disc brake system. You can see how it works. You pull the trigger and it will be brake on the rear or front side of your bicycle. The first step is to adjust the pressure. You can use this screw on the lever on the front side to make it a little bit harder to brake. That means faster braking. You will rotate this anti-clockwise, so you can move out the screw a little bit, because then you are faster in the point which this bowden cable system of the bicycle disc brake will break down. If you like to adjust or set up your bowden cable disc brake system, you have to fully screw these parts into the system. That means you rotate this screw system clockwise until it will have contact with the lever itself. After this, you can make a right setup of your disc brake in the front or in the rear side of your bicycle, of course. A disc brake consists of a metal disc or rotor attached to the wheel hub that rotates with the wheel. Calipers are attached into the frame or fork along with the pads that squeeze the rotors for braking. Disc brakes may be actuated mechanically by cable or hydraulically. In this case, it's a cable, mechanical cable actuated disc brake. You can see you pull on the bowden cable with the lever, and then the disc is done. So we are now marking on the bowden cable itself where it is now. Let's now unscrew the disc brake caliper screw a little bit, and then we can adjust this disc brake arm, as you can see a little bit. And if we now rotate this lever arm to the front side area, or where the bowden cable comes from, then you can adjust it so that the disc brake is right adjusted. Okay, so if you have reached the level where it is not braking while the lever is not in the pulled position, then the rotation of the wheel should be free. And this is the mark where you have to tighten this lever arm with the screws again. Okay? For a fine adjustment, you can use these nuts on the left side a little bit to make the way of the bowden cable a little bit longer or shorter. Then tighten the lever arm with the screw again locked, and then you adjust your disc brakes, which use a cable, a bowden cable. So let's try this. This is a good braking adjusting, as you can see. It works good. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.